Not to forget, what are the ingredients in Shirataki stir fry? So I get my phone and started filming. Oops! Diri na to luto ng atong Shirataki noodles mga 5 minutes. What adds more to the flavor is the coconut amino and chicken stock. And for the aromatic flavor, ginger and garlic. Now, you could add more color to our prepared stir fry by choosing it's either yellow or red bell pepper. What I love so much is the baby corn because it adds crunchiness. You could play with green color by adding broccoli and some onions and Chinese pichay. The technique of which is which one should be the first to cook, and which one should be the last one. There was a saying that goes, one way to a man's heart is through his stomach. Kaya tips ko sa inyo guys, galingan yung magluto ha. Make it like a 5-star hotel cooking. Never ever overcook. Kalami na bang ihigop sa sabaw? Sige, magsugod na tagluto mga bay.